As warm weather approaches, it's important to check on your air conditioning system to make sure it will be able to cool your home over the summer. Hi, I'm Jimmy from Fire and Ice, and as a residential service technician, I've helped thousands of Central Ohio homeowners get the most out of their HVAC system. At Fire and Ice, we believe in giving our customers as much information as they need. In this video, we're going to go over signs that your air conditioner needs to be repaired. And if you find today's content helpful, subscribe to our channel for weekly educational content. One of the first signs you'll notice is that it just takes a little longer to cool. The change will probably be subtle at first, may not even be obvious until there's a really hot spell when the outside temperature lingers above 90 degrees for multiple days at a time. But you'll have that flash of insight one day when the AC runs and runs and runs. Sometimes the only clue you have that your air conditioner needs attention is an electric bill. A sudden spike in your electric bill is a sign of trouble. A comparison from month to month or maybe even year to year can at least give you a sign when your AC needs a repair and may start using more electricity to cool your home due to a loss of efficiency. Any strange noise coming from your AC should be investigated. A host of things gone sour can be responsible for strange noises: the compressor, the contactor, the blower motor, among others. Any strange noises coming from your air handler or compressor should be investigated by an HVAC professional. Air conditioning doesn't just cool the house by removing hot air, it also removes humidity. If there's a problem, the indoor humidity might creep up past comfortable levels. If you have a thermostat that can track the indoor relative humidity, keep an eye on it. If the level creeps up, you know you have a problem. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video so far, please like it and leave a comment. We'd love to hear what you have to say and answer any questions you might have. And did you know we have even more resources on our website? Click the link here to visit our Learning Center for more in-depth information. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Ice can form on your air conditioner if the refrigerant level is too low, or ice could be caused by faulty wiring or a dirty coil. This will cause poor performance and can even cause a complete failure. Scraping or chiseling the ice from your unit could exacerbate the problem. It needs to be defrosted, and then the problem causing the ice needs to be addressed by a professional. If you notice water near your furnace during the summer, the seal on your evaporator coil could be compromised. Your evaporator coil is the indoor component of your air conditioner or heat pump. In some HVAC setups, the evaporator coil is located on top of your furnace cabinet. Your evaporator produces condensate. That's why your air conditioner or heat pump has a drain. But if your evaporator coil isn't properly sealed, this moisture can leak into and around your furnace. Schedule regular service appointments to ensure your AC is in top shape. Regular maintenance is the key to keeping your AC and furnace working well. A clogged filter can make your furnace work harder. Keep the area around your AC clear of debris. A lot of debris around your AC unit can make it work harder and longer and makes it less efficient. You can also clean out the condensation drain. Cleaning out the drain helps keep things working smoothly between tune-ups. I hope by now you have a better understanding of the signs that your AC needs repaired. If you'd like more information on HVAC systems, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give us a like and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day better.